Hello, my day to family. Welcome in my YouTube channel, Tech Repair, Tech Repair eVantage. Okay, so guys, in this video, I am going to be talking about best ways to make money online. Okay, so here we are going to discuss that best ways to make your money. Yeah, and that's the good news for all the students because it's for work from home. So nothing is gonna hard for you. So stay connected with us. Let me discuss you step by step, and you will be more interesting. You will watch this video till the end. And if you find this as a very valuable content, then please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's gonna start this video. The sting of inflation may have you pondering how to make some extra income. Yeah, everyone want to make some extra income. If you have the time and energy, you can put your skills and patience, okay, to work with a side hustle. Oh my goodness, Net Wallet rounded up to 25 real ways to make money at online or out and about. Okay, for each potential side job, we'll list details like what it take to get started, age requirement, and how fast you can be paid. Okay, so you can easily understand that how much time do you need, the value of time and money. Both you can see, and here you can see my article. So let's gonna replace this slide. So guys, here we can see that even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Yeah, a human touch is much necessary for every work. But instead of this, some robotics and so many other things that can do also work with the like human. Companies often outsource these jobs to crowdsourcing market like Amazon. Okay, Amazon's Mechanical Turk, that is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, as a worker, the task will be assigned can be tedious, taking images, transcribing videos, classifying receipt, and can take anywhere. Yeah, from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employees. Okay, and here we can see that requesters set the price for each task and approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room from scams. So do your research. Okay, and online communities like Turkit and Turkan Nation subreddits can steer you away from shipping dealers and give a realistic idea of how much money you can accept to make. Read about it for mechanical truck as a way to make money, as a way to make money. And it's so easy. Yeah, so let's gonna replace this slide, and here we can see that if a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate. Yeah, everyone earning is from mostly from the affiliate. I probably make a separate video upon affiliate marketing, but let's discuss something new at here. That affiliate, that's you get paid from someone clicks from your the website to the partner site and buy something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money from this way. Read more about affiliate marketing and other ways to bloggers that can make money easily. Okay. And here we can see that the internet makes it easy to bring it in the market. If you are a writer which can charge in out pages, you can use Amazon Kindle direct publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. If you are free to publish a book, and you can earn, yes, you can easily earn money of each sale in royalties. Write your book that can enter a clear descriptions and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscript to sell the price and see if it sells. Yeah, total time, how fast can you type. You don't have to tell you writing a book that can be a slog. Okay. Here we can see that setup quick and easy on KDP once the book is ready. Yes, once the book is ready for you. Okay, and the companies are using Instagram influencer people with a large dedicated followings on the platform. Yeah, followers is much more important. Followers to rate their product, and you can get in the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence on Aspire, or by contacting the brand if you want to work with. Read more to make about money online and on the different kind of platform, on different kinds of platforms. So the last slide video is discuss about you can also make money on TikTok. Yeah, India in TikTok. TikTok is banned in the India. TikTok. And total time you will need to stick with it. Set up quick and easy. And how to start and not that easy. Read much. Build following to gain influence as threshold that is 13 plus, how to fast, and so many other things that you need to be discussed in other things. So guys, this is the video. I hope you find this as a very valuable content. Then please do like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of the big updates. Love you all, take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.